Have you ever sent money to someone on Zelle, only to realize later it was a big, fat scam? Let's face it, online transactions can be a gamble sometimes. You think you're buying that adorable pug puppy with the heart-melting eyes, but instead, you end up funding some elaborate internet prank. Ouch. But what happens when the laughter dies down and your bank account's looking a little worse for wear? Can Zelle help you get your money back? Buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the murky world of Zelle scams and refunds. The truth about Zelle transactions. First things first, Zelle operates differently than some other payment apps. Remember the golden rule: once a Zelle payment is sent, it's pretty much gone. Unlike credit cards or some debit cards with built-in fraud protection, Zelle transactions are considered final. It's designed for quick transfers between trusted contacts, like splitting a dinner bill with a friend. This speed and ease of use are great for legitimate transactions, but scammers love to exploit them. They'll cook up elaborate stories to trick you into sending money, a sob story about a car breakdown, a too-good-to-be-true online deal, or even impersonating a government agency. So, can you get your money back? Here's the good news: there's a glimmer of hope. In June of 2023, Zelle introduced a new policy that reimburses certain types of scams, specifically imposter scams. These are situations where someone pretends to be a legitimate business, person, or government agency to trick you into sending money. But hold on, there's a catch, isn't there always? Zelle reviews each claim on a case-by-case basis. This means they'll investigate your situation to determine if it qualifies for reimbursement. There's no guarantee you'll get your money back, but at least it's an option now. Here's how to fight for your refund. If you suspect you've been scammed, act fast. The sooner you report it, the better your chances of getting your money back. Here's your two-pronged attack plan. Contact your bank or credit union immediately. Report the unauthorized transaction and explain you were a victim of a scam. They may be able to reverse the charges depending on their policies. Regulation E, a federal law protecting electronic fund transfers, might be on your side here. File a claim with Zelle directly. You can do this through their app or by calling their customer service line. Be prepared to provide as much detail as possible about the scam, including any communication you had with the scammer. Remember, prevention is key. Here are some tips to avoid falling victim to a Zelle scam. Never send money to someone you don't know and trust. This goes for friends of friends online or anyone pressuring you to act quickly. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. If a puppy costs a suspiciously low amount, it probably is. Double-check the recipient's information before sending money. A typo could mean your money ends up in the wrong hands. Don't share your personal or financial information with anyone over Zelle. Zelle scams, the takeaway. While getting scammed is never fun, at least there's a chance of recovering your money with Zelle's new policy. By following the tips above and acting quickly, you can increase your chances of a successful refund. But remember, the best defense is a good offense. Stay vigilant, be cautious, and never send money to anyone you don't trust implicitly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there in the wild world of online transactions.